Broke the time barrier. 10 future technologies exist today.
Video description.
Welcome to our channel where we explore the exciting realm of future technologies. In this video, we will take you on a journey through time, highlighting 10 groundbreaking technologies that exist today, revolutionizing the way we live and shaping a future we once could only dream of. From self-driving cars to artificial intelligence and quantum computing, brace yourself as we delve into these mind-blowing advancements that have the potential to break the time barrier and transform our world. Join us on this incredible ride into the future.
Keywords: future technologies, time barrier, self-driving cars, artificial intelligence, quantum computing.
Intro. Background music fades. Host, voiceover. Welcome back to our channel, where we showcase the most groundbreaking technologies that take us beyond our wildest imagination. In this episode, we will explore Broke the Time Barrier. 10 future technologies exist today. Get ready to be captivated as we unveil these incredible advancements that are shaping the future of humanity. So, fasten your seatbelts and let's embark on this amazing journey together. Engaging visuals of futuristic technologies. Section 1. Self-driving cars. H2. Host, voiceover. Our first future technology that exists today is self-driving cars. These vehicles use advanced sensors, cameras, and artificial intelligence to navigate and operate without human intervention. Imagine a world where accidents caused by human error are nearly eliminated, traffic congestion is reduced, and commuting becomes less stressful. The time when self-driving cars dominate our roads is not in the distant future, but it's already here. Visually stunning footage of self-driving cars in action. Host, voiceover. Companies like Tesla, Google's Waymo, and Uber are already testing and improving self-driving technology. With constant advancements in AI, machine learning, and sensor technologies, self-driving cars will soon become the norm, transforming our cities and revolutionizing transportation. Section 2. Artificial intelligence. H2. Host, voiceover. Artificial intelligence, or AI, takes us further into the future. AI systems can mimic and perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence, such as speech recognition, decision-making, and problem-solving. It's already being integrated into our daily lives, from voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to smart home devices. But the true potential of AI extends far beyond conquering routine tasks. Engrossing visuals of AI-powered technologies. Host, voiceover. AI is being used in diverse fields like healthcare, finance, and even space exploration. It has the power to revolutionize industries, make accurate predictions, and assist in scientific breakthroughs. As AI continues to evolve, it will enhance our capabilities and reshape society in unprecedented ways. Section 3. Quantum computing. H2. Host, voiceover. Quantum computing represents a paradigm shift in computing power. Traditional computers use bits to process information, whereas quantum computers utilize qubits, which harness the principles of quantum mechanics. This enables quantum computers to perform complex calculations exponentially faster than classical computers. Stunning visuals highlighting quantum computing. Host, voiceover. Quantum computing holds the key to solving problems that are unsolvable with conventional computing methods. It has the potential to revolutionize industries like cryptography, drug discovery, and optimization. Although quantum computers are still in their early stages, significant progress has been made, and they are closer than ever to breaking the time barrier. Section 4. Virtual reality. H2. Host, voiceover. Virtual reality, or VR, has come a long way in recent years. It immerses users in realistic, computer-generated environments, creating an incredibly immersive experience. From gaming and entertainment to education and training, VR has the power to transport us to entirely new worlds. Engaging footage showcasing the power of virtual reality. Host, voiceover. As VR technology advances, we can expect it to revolutionize various industries such as architecture, healthcare, and travel. Imagine touring the wonders of the world from the comfort of your living room or undergoing medical training in a simulated environment. The possibilities are endless and breathtaking. Section 5. Renewable energy. H2. Host, voiceover. The final future technology we will explore today is renewable energy. With an increasing focus on sustainability, renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower are rapidly gaining momentum. These clean energy alternatives offer a greener solution to power our world and reduce our carbon footprint. Captivating visuals showcasing renewable energy sources. Host, voiceover, governments and industries worldwide are investing heavily in developing and harnessing renewable energy technologies. From massive solar farms to wind turbines, these innovations are making it possible to build a sustainable future. The transition to renewable energy is crucial in breaking the time barrier and achieving a cleaner, more sustainable world for generations to come. Outro. Host, voiceover, and that concludes our journey through time, exploring 10 future technologies that exist today. Self-driving cars, artificial intelligence, quantum computing, virtual reality, and renewable energy are propelling us into a future where possibilities are truly limitless. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing content on the technologies shaping our world. Background music fades. Host, voiceover, thank you for joining us today. Stay curious and keep embracing the future. Closing shot with channel logo. Video ends.